Soldering iron and the solder core cost me about $4.87 for both. $2.99 for the soldering iron, and the core is $1.49. I'm gonna try my soldering I'm gonna try to solder this. Okay, I soldered the wires, as you can see. I don't really know how to do it, but I think it's good enough. Cut a piece of the shielding from this wire and use it to cover the wire on the adapter. Here I put electrical tape on the other wire and the green shelving on the other wire. Then I'm gonna wrap them with tape, electrical tape. Okay. The digital connection is good. It's charging right now. Now to put the cover back on. Here it is with the cover. I'm gonna tape it now. Let's hopefully still work after I tape it. Bye. Okay, it's wrapped with electrical tape. I made a little loop for protection. That way the solder doesn't get pulled out again. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it works. Okay, just plugged it in and it's still working. And it's charging right now. So that's it. This is how you fix a broken AC adapter for the clamshell ibook.